Hey everyone, okay, so let's talk about the brand new Jones Road Just Enough Tinted Moisturizer. And the name is actually spot on because it really is, just enough. Now, I'll be completely honest, tinted moisturizers, they can be a bit, meh. They promise to give you glow, they deliver disappointment, but this one, it actually does what it says. It evens out the skin, it blurs redness, and it gives you that healthy, I drink green juice every morning look. Without the actual green juice. Now the texture is really gorgeous. It's very lightweight. It blends in seconds and it doesn't cling to any dry patches or sit on top of the skin, and there's no funky smell. It just melts into the skin, leaving it looking fresh and polished, but still like you. It's perfect for those days when you just want your skin to look a little bit more like skin. And you've got that kind of smug kind of look on your face. Look how good I look. Bobbi Brown has done it again. In fact, I rarely think of Bobbi Brown now. When I think of this, I think of Jones Road. It is minimal fuss, maximum payoff. It's skin in its best light, and I am here for it. It is a keeper.